When I look in the mirror, I see a big girl, a strong girl that's been through a lot, a woman that never give up. She always heard that she not gonna make it because she black, because she have issues. But then I see who I am. I see the dancer that I am. I see a lot of power and I feel very proud. Glam for me is when I dance and feel that I'm killing it. Dance from the soul. This is what can create your glamour. I use Facetune when I want to show my style, because there I really can put some colors that I want. When I do freestyle, I always try to show my feelings, and it's just amazing to see the dancers in the class and the students just can like look at me and start to cry, and I never understand it, but then they came to me and tell me like they don't really know me, but when I dance they feel that they know me because I'm very open and true with them, because I'm true to myself.